Hello guys, nice to see you in this tutorial. I hope everything with you is okay. And in this lesson, we'll be start to learning about a new subject in the mathematical language as a fraction. After we are make this is introduction for the fraction and added and subtract fraction. And this presentation will be start to know about how we are multiply and divided the fraction. هلا حبايب، تحياتي وسعيد بلقائكم. في هذا اللقاء سوف نحاول أن نتعلم ضرب وقسمة الكسور بعد أن تعلمنا جمع وطرح الكسور ومفهوم بسيط عن الكسور وأنواعها. We hope that as you understand multiply and divided fraction, this meaning we are time the fraction by itself for 4, 5, 6 times, or we are divided the fraction at itself by 7, 3, 4, 5 as well. That's why we are learning how we are doing this for this process in order to more understand for the how we are treatment or how we are make an operation with the fraction. In this unit, we shall know about multiply fraction. We shall also see how to divide a fraction by running to the second fraction upside down. How we are make upside down the fraction. كما نعرف أو كما يفهم البعض أنه في عملية قسمة الكسور نقوم بعملية قلب القسمة إلى ضرب وقلب المقام إلى بسط. هنا سوف نفهم في ذلك في التمارين. وعملية الضرب هي عملية ضرب الفراكشن تبسيطة to simplify and cancelling for the common factor about the number or see what is the accepted without the remind. هنا نقوم في عملية قسم ضرب الكسور اختصارها مع بعضها إذا كانت تقبل أو هناك مضاعف مشترك يشترك معها في هذه العملية. Now we start for the multiply fraction in this presentation. How do you multiply fraction? Let you starting with this example. What is the 4 times third? This meaning for lost of 1/3. You see? This meaning, this fraction meaning, this third time by itself 4 times. Time itself by 4 times. في هذا الفراكشن يبين لنا انه الثيرد مضروب مع نفسه 4 مرات. 4 مرات يعني third plus third plus third plus third plus third 4 times. We see as like this. We have here 4 circles, these 4 whole circles as third, this third and this third and this third and this third from this fraction as 4. You see? Meaning 4 times third. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Numerically, we are performing for the calculator like this. عادة we calculator this. عادة يتم حسابه على الشكل التالي. 4 times third equal third plus third plus third plus third. This as 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 third equal 4 over 3. 4 over 3 because here are same then value for the denominator. That's why 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. That's why 4 over 3. We write here 3 because these are in the denominator 3. هنا عبارة عن عملية جمع للثيرد 4 مرات ولكون المقام وحده يعني رقم واحد موحد فكان أيضا المقام هنا نفس المقام والبسط هو عبارة عن مجموع هذه القيم. هنا as 4 over 3 we are simplified to 1 over third as 4 over 3 meaning divided by how many 3 in is 1, how many remain 1 over 3. هنا قمنا بعملية تبسيط هذا الكسر إلى كسر مركب as a max fraction 1 over 3. وهذا هو الحقيقة الناتج الصحيح لجمع 4 times 4 3 meaning 1 each third from the third. That's why. Example, second example. 5 times 2/3. 2/3 meaning time 2/3 5 times in it. هذه عبارة عن إنه 2/3 مضروبة في نفسها مجموعة في نفسها أو مضروبة في نفسها 5 مرات. يعني 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 like this. obtain الحصول على ذلك يمكن الحصول عليها يكون في ذلك من 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 is 4 and plus 2/3 we get how many get 10 over 3. 10 over 3 when are simplified we get 10. How many 3 is 3? How many remind is 1 over 3? Same process. Why? Because the denominator is same. That's why I just added 3 2 10 over 3 equal divided simplify this 3 over 1 over third. Example last. Calculate 7 times 5 over 9. 7 times over 5 over 9. 7 مضروبة في الكسر 5 over 9. I will be explaining to you other way to solve this problem. Meaning this also you can do it this exactly. 5 over 9, 7 times plus 7 times and added, we get 35 plus 9. Simplify this. But here I show you 7, the denominator is 1. 7, the denominator is 1. That's why I here just only multiply 7 times 5, 1, because I put 1 here. No, time 9 is 1 times 9 is 9. It's become, this is easy way. This easy way to solve another way, another method to solve this problem. You can get to another method to solve this example. Like this, 7 times 5 as 35. 1 times 9 is 9. I simplify this as get 35. How many 9 is 3? Remind 8 over 9 because 9 is same denominators. Now let us look at the multiply fraction by other fraction. For example, what is? Here, please look carefully. You see this is now the denominator is different. Here 3 and 2. Here we must do looking at, we multiply both together. 1 times 1 and 3 times 2 is 6. We get like this, you see. This meaning 1/3 of 1/2. 1/3 of 1/2. Of meaning time. Of, this of meaning time. 1/3 times 10/2. You see this is as this third 1 2 3 and this half. This half. Why multiply this half times third? If we take the half and split it to 3, we have 6. If this half, if I split it on like this one, I get 1 also 2 3 4 5 6. عندما أقوم بتقسيم هذا النص إلى أيضا ثلاثة أجزاء like this one and like this one, I get 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this 1 over 6. 1 over 6. When I multiply 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 2 is 6, that's why I get 1 over 6. 1 over 6 meaning I split this half as 2 part, 3 fraction, 3/3. That's why we get 1 times 2 times 2 is become 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6 over 6, like this last result. This is the general technical we shall use. This is also that's R. when you see the different denominator, just only multiply both together, the denominator by numerator, denominator by denominators. We simplify after that to the other this. Multiply makes a fraction. Now we get another topic, and this is multiply fraction as a mixed fraction. الكسر المركب هو عبارة عن عملية ضرب للكسر المركب. To multiply mixed fraction we can do convert to the improper fraction. أول مرة نبسط الكسر المركب إلى proper fraction، إلى كسر غير صحيح. ومultiply fraction بعد ذلك نقوم بعملية الضرب، البسط ويا البسط، المقام ويا المقام، denominator with the denominator with the denominator. After that, second things. Third things, convert the result back to the mixed fraction، ومن ثم نقوم بعملية simplify simplify the result to the mixed fraction. You see this like this picture I show you. This mixed fraction 1/2 times 2/1/5 equal 3/5. How you see this? You see this is, how come this 3/5? 2 times 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3/2. I make change or convert to the improper fraction. I compare to fraction like this. 5 times 2, 10 plus 1 is 11/5 equal 10 times 3 is 30 plus 3 33 10 sorry. This I convert to the improper fraction. أنا بسطت هذا المقام حتى أتخلص من العدد الصحيح. شلون أتخلص من العدد الصحيح؟ أضرب المقام بالعدد الصحيح وأضيف إلى زائد البسط. أضرب المقام بالعدد الصحيح زائد البسط. أضرب المقام بالعدد الصحيح زائد البسط. فراح يكون عندي هذا to this multiplied so improper fraction. أنا حولت الكسر هذا إلى proper fraction without any whole number. Question or example, what is this? How can I solve this? I depending the rule, I depending the process. First, I must to convert this fraction to the improper fraction. That's why 4 times 3 or 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13/4. You get first this one, I treatment with this main and process. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13/4. We get now this time 3 times 3 9 plus 1 10/3. 10/3 I make like this proper fraction. 13/4 I convert this to proper fraction. Now I multiply this one with this one fraction. 13/4 times 10/3. This times this, I get this 13 times 10, 130. 4 times 3 is 12. You see, just I multiply the numerator with the denominator. هنا قمت فقط في عملية ضرب البسط وضرب المقام، فكانت 13 times 10 is 130 و4 or 4 times 3 is 12. That's why. Now I see I simplify this. I simplify this to as a mixed fraction. Simplify this and makes a fraction. After I multiply the fraction, I get 130. How many 12 is 10? Remind 5 over 6. 5 over 6. Why 6? Why 6? Because 130, I take this by 2. I take this by 2. I get 130 and 2. That's why I get this. This one has negative what is. هنا أرجو الانتباه. Please look, listen carefully and see carefully, because this is as I use the fraction with the negative symbol, I minus. You see, I have this fraction minus 1, 5/9 minus 2 over 1/7. Okay? And this, when I want now to convert this fraction and this fraction to proper fraction, I forget the minus now. Forget this minus. I just make the convert. أنا فقط هنا أنسى عملية الناقص أو إشارة الناقص أو الماينس، فأذهب فقط لتبسيط هذا الكسر إلى كسر اعتيادي. هكذا يساوي 1 5/9. أخذتها على صفحة. I take this separately in order to see what I do. Now 9 times 1 is 9 plus 1 14. I get 14/9. I just only convert this in proper fraction. تحويله إلى كسر اعتيادي. I get this again without the symbol to 7 times 2 14 plus 1 15/7. Also 15/7. I convert this. Now, before I multiply this and this, I must to return back to put the minus symbol. See, minus 14/9 time minus 15/7. Minus 15/7. Here I just convert the fraction. When I multiply this, I must to put the minus symbol. That's why I put minus 14/9 times minus 15/7. Now I make the multiply. You see, minus 14 times minus 15, we get like this. You must to return to the board math. We said minus times minus has become plus. Minus times minus has become plus. That's why minus 14 times minus 15, it's become plus 210. You see, no minus here because this minus times minus is a plus. 9 times 7 is 36. 9 times 7 as 36. That's why I simplify or divided this. I get 30/9. I can simplify also this. I can simplify over this. That's why it's become simple question. Here I stop it, and this is presentation. Thank you for watching. And next presentation we take the divided fraction. And please, you can return back to this is revision for this is presentation in order to more understand. After when we get the divided fraction, you know what we do, because this we are relationship with the divided fraction exactly. شكرا لمشاهدتكم، وأتمنى لكم أن تكونوا قد استوعبتوا الشيء البسيط من عمليات ضرب الكسور، ولكن من المهم أن نفهم هذه ونقوم بعملية مراجعة للبرزنتيشن in order حتى نفهم شنو كان المقصود من عملية الضرب وطريقة الضرب وطريقة تبسيط الكسور. وفي العرض القادم سوف نتكلم عن عملية تقسيم الكسر divided the fraction. شكرا للمتابعة، ولا تنسونا من دعمكم وإسنادكم لهذه القناة للاستمرارية وخدمة الطلبة، وأنا مستعد إلى أي سؤال أو أي معلومة في هذا الموضوع للإجابة عليها. كتبوا لي بالكومنت، وأنا شاكر للمشاهدة. شكرا جزيلا حبايبي، نشوفكم بخير. باي باي.